Kedorbar sno mukro pelun hak arpo atrek nai wing arja arpusan hak jing langken ma buram ya kisan ngot kirang ba nongsong snong gibla kelon yap hagi kuli nang ki ketang sulai ki pulet asam lais naman shwa kala syam ya karai ban pha jing tho shaw Amit Shah menteri kampo yeng ke sarkar India ban pen kenma badon kam ke jing toket CBI halor ke ni ke jingja persya ya ki pulet asam Uba Precious Star Stan, Secretary haba puli ketika rai, penpak lingba UCH Vijaya Shankar, ulat ke jela Meghalaya, bat ke kopi langru Syau Konrad Kies Sangma, Menteri Rangba ke jela, Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon, MP ke Lok Sabha Nasional Parliamentary Constituency, Ulaong, bahadin ke jingja haka arpo artarik nai wing araja arpusan ke sarkar Meghalaya, ke sarkar Assam bat ke sarkar India kila menjur ban thung jing toket da ke CBI. Ulaong balais nam kila telun Henry ke jing toket kapau ba kampoi syai ru bat kumta ke long kumba ai mlu haka jingmong ki bahyeng jong ki basyak siat ki ba ap ke jing yok bishar hok. Ulaong ba kini ke jingja kami na ke kam jing akan atput hapadeng ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam bat hadu menta ke Assam ke beteng ban klun jaka haki benta ke mukro kat ba ke jela Meghalaya pat ke supet kai.
Hai kan ka resolution lingba yang governor yang Meghalaya yang yang kopi le cha chief minister yang jela Meghalaya yang berhijau porle punpoi kopi cha honorable MP yang ka Shillong parliamentary constituency yang Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon. Heni pos ne ba cha yang yo pure ya kan resolution hadini Dewan Cerman do chimi ka jing penmanjur kenangwa yo ya penpoi kan ka resolution chadu ka sarkar India leng ba yang governor yang ke Meghalaya yang i penpoi chadu cha Union Home Minister yang i Amit Shah. The Office of the Dorbar Senong Mukro Pelun West Janta Hills District dimension le ya ka senat number ini resolution. We the people of Mukro village under Nartiang PS and Laskin Community and Rural Development Block of West Janta Hills District, Meghalaya, under the aegis of the Dorbar Senong Mukro, held a meeting today, the 22nd November 2025, in our village to pay homage to our 5 fellow villagers on their death anniversary with a sense of heavy heart and bitterness. The 5 fellow villagers, namely Shri Tal Nartiam, Shri Sik Talang, Shri Nikhasi Dhar, Shri Shirup Sumer, Shri Thal Chadab, lost their lives in the bullets of Assam police personnel on the 22nd November 2022 in the outskirts of the village. Following the incident, the Meghalaya government and the Assam government as well as the government of India agreed to conduct an investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) into the unfortunate incident, and 3 long years have passed now, but the investigation appears to be non-starter, thereby adding more salt to the wounds of the families who lost their loved one. The incident occurred due to the long-pending boundary dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. Until it, the state of Assam continue to intrude into the territory of Meghalaya along Mukro village, while the state of Meghalaya remains a mute spectator. On this 22nd November 2025, we the people of Mukro village pass this resolution to solemnly urge upon the government of India to expedite the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI's) investigation into the Assam police firing incident that occurred on the 22nd November 2022 in Mukro village along Meghalaya-Assam border, as to deliver justice to the aggrieved families. We also urge upon the government of India to kindly intervene for resolving the long-pending boundary dispute between Assam and Meghalaya, and also to direct the state of Assam to stop any intrusion to state of Meghalaya along Mukro till the final settlement of the boundary of the two states. We hope that the government of India will listen to our humble plea and deliver us justice and will not compel us to stay away from the path of righteousness. Number DSM/BA/2025/1 dated 22nd/11/2025. Shri Amit Shah, Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs, through the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya. To the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, to the Honorable MP Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. To kam chupatai kejak atau ikan ika resolution to akitin pareng to hapen poi em kecimut kyang i kam ginang ilam yang kecunong kam gedor bar cenong hi yupen poi ceduk jaga sarkar India.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.